What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Positive vibes only. How y'all doing this morning? We're on our way to work. Y'all want to take a little ride? Take a little ride? Let's roll, baby. Got a few things I want to talk to y'all about. Alright, I'm going to turn y'all around like this. And we're going to get the hell up out of here. Okay, this is the first ride. Just having a car back. To work, I should say. Y'all didn't get to ride with me on the way back from y'all did. Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Positive vibes only. How y'all doing, man? Hey, if you're new to this channel, Big Therm 67, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit the all button, so you know when I upload a video. Like, share, and comment if you please. Oh my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Oh, I am in such a continuation of a good mood. I have my baby back. I got my baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back. My bluebird baby back, baby back, baby back. My bluebird is back. Hey, man. Oh, Lord have mercy. I got okay. Life of the party. I'll give a big shout out to my Galucci crew. That is, when I was in college, the name of our dorm was Galucci. And as freshmen, made some awesome friends. Oh my God. Shout out to Celeste, Terry, Eric, Dee Dee. We had a ball. Oh my God. Especially those first 2 years. I didn't stay as long as they did. Shout out to Celeste and the crew, because I think it was just me and Eric that left. I left before they did. Anyway, we still remain tight to this day. I love y'all. But yeah, we need to have a reunion for real. That would be stellar. Yeah, I break the bank on that one, because I haven't seen them in years. I mean, it's been I haven't seen any of them since 1987, 88. And here we are, 2019, going into 220. So yeah, it has been a while. But we have me, Terry, and Celeste, we've all kind of kept in touch. The last 5 to 10 years anyway. So probably longer than that. Anyway, real good people. Love them to death, man. Like I said, just went on Facebook tonight. Me and Eric had talked periodically, but then kind of lost touch with him. We went through Facebook. So I found him last night and requested, sent him a friend request. Man, it's many people through the years that I've met through the military, through school, even Alaska. There's only one person from Alaska that I've talked to through the years. Shout out to Lisa. But yeah, in high school too, there's well, of course, there's many people in high school that are on my Facebook. It's mainly high school people. Shit. Hell. Okay. One more. About two more. But yeah, man. Ooh, I gotta turn this heat down. Turn the heat down, Greg. Turn the heat down. Close the vent. There we go. But yeah, man, it's nice to keep up with people and see how their life is progressing. You know, then you get those who are very, 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 very private, who are not even on Facebook. I can't get a hold of those people, but it's all good. I wish them well. God bless them. Come on, y'all. I'm not even going that fast this morning. Man, it feels good to drive my baby and not have to take the train. Grab an Uber or a Lyft or try to rent a car. Man, it got expensive. But man, I tell you what, if you can, the people that are big influences on your life, especially from back in the day, if you can keep up with them and you can remain friends through the years, please do so. Reach out. You know. Now, there were people who I'd rather not even come across. We all got those people. And I've come across them. I never sent them a friend request. And a lot of them have sent me friend requests. And I refuse to confirm it. I'm not doing it. I mean, maybe you've changed or whatever, but it's not that I'm not forgiving or anything, but positive vibes only, baby. And even them sending me a friend request, that's a negative vibe to me, or for me, so no need. But I shout you out anyway. I'm not gonna say your names or nothing like that, but I'm not gonna give you that I'm not gonna give you that space. So, and I thought they was gonna see this anyway. Not very many people watch the videos, which is cool. It ain't really for everybody. It's mainly for me, because this is what I like to do. And it kind of also keeps my friends in the loop a little bit of what's going on in my little life, because it's a little life, but I live it big. But it'd be nice to catch up, see them again, because they all basically look the same. You know, I think out of everybody, I'm the only one that gained weight. Hell. But facial wise, I haven't changed much, and neither have they. If you go to my Facebook page, I did post a picture of us on my wall. So anyway, if you haven't seen it by now, anyway. But if you can, like I said, old friends that you know, that were real close to you, that you had a ball with, that, you know, y'all sat up and talked and just kicked it, just was really tight, you know, and you haven't talked to them in a while, maybe you should try to reach out. Even if it's just to catch up for a moment and say hello. You know, we all have lives that we live in, but you could take 15 minutes of your time and just catch up. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I mean. Anyway, man. Okay, I'm gonna get on off of here, man. Y'all ain't gonna ride all the way to work with me. Hell no, y'all ain't riding for free. It cost me money to ride the Bluebird. And anyway, man, I have some other things I want to talk to y'all about, but that's on another vlog. I'm gonna vlog again today. I got in my mind what I want to talk about, but I wanted to give a shout out to the Galucci crew. So I wanted to go live yesterday too, but I had other stuff I needed to get done first at the apartment. So by the time I was ready to do it, it had got dark on me, and my doggone what you call that damn thing, tablet. The camera ain't worth a crap on it, so I had to cut on every light in the doggone apartment to get it bright enough to make a damn video, a vlog. So I'll do it hopefully today. I'm only working a half a day today. I got some other stuff I gotta do, the business to take care of. So I'll be home early enough to do it. I do. Positive vibes only, baby. Positive vibes only. Y'all keep y'all head up, man. Keep that negativity off your mind. Nah, I mean. We out.